Jamie Vardy is an English professional footballer. He was born in Sheffield, South Yorkshire and grew up in inner city Sheffield. His father was a crane worker and his mother worked at a solicitor's office. Vardy was in the youth system at Sheffield Wednesday but was released at age 16. On 17 May 2012, it was announced that Vardy would be signing for Championship club Leicester City ahead of the 2012-13 season for a reported fee of $1 million, a non-league record which could potentially be worth up to $1.7 million with add-ons. On 26 August 2020, Vardy signed a new contract with Leicester City until 2023. On 27 September, he scored his second hat-trick against Manchester City in a 5-2 away win at Etihad Stadium. On 26 August 2020, Vardy signed a new contract with Leicester City until 2023. On 15 May 2021, he started in the 2021 FA Cup final as Leicester defeated Chelsea 1-0, the club's first ever FA Cup victory. By playing in the final, Vardy became the first player to play in every round of the competition, including the preliminary stages. In 2016, he married Rebecca Vardy. On 25th October 2019, Vardy scored a hat-trick in a 9-0 away win against Southampton. On 4 July 2020, Vardy scored his 100th and 101st goal in the Premier League in a 3-0 victory over Crystal Palace. He became the first Leicester player to reach the 100-goal milestone and 29th overall in league history. Of the 29 players to have scored 100 Premier League goals, with 23 goals, he won the Premier League Golden Boot for the first time in his career. The 33-year-old Vardy became the oldest player to win the award. On 28 April 2019, Vardy scored 2 goals, this time in a 3-0 home victory against Arsenal, bringing the goal tally in league football for Leicester to 100. On 23 December 2017, Vardy netted his 50th Premier League goal in the 2-2 draw against Manchester United and scored his 10th Premier League goal for the season on 20 January with a penalty kick in the 2-0 home win versus Watford. On 22 February 2017, Vardy scored the first UEFA Champions League goal in a 2-1 away defeat to Sevilla in the first leg of the round of 16. On 3 June 2016, Arsenal made a bid of $22 million for Vardy, triggering a release clause in his contract. Leicester offered him improved terms and 20 days later he agreed to a new 4-year deal to be signed on his return from UEFA Euro 2016. With 24 league goals, Vardy was the second highest scorer in the Premier League for the 2015-16 season, alongside Sergio Aguero, only 1 goal behind Golden Boot winner Harry Kane. Vardy was one of 4 Leicester players in the PFA Team of the Year. He was later also named the FWA Footballer of the Year. On 21st May 2015, Vardy was called up to the English national team for the first time ahead of a friendly against the Republic of Ireland and a UEFA Euro 2016 qualifying match against Slovenia. He was named in the 23-man England squad for the 2018 FIFA World Cup. He was used sparingly during the tournament, starting only the final group stage match against Belgium as the England side reached the World Cup semi-finals for only the 3rd time in their history.